Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie and today I'm going to show you a full tutorial or guide to Dochub. But before I begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn the notifications on so you can be alerted when I post new videos, because now I am actually posting daily. So make sure to check out all of my content. So the first thing is you have to have a PDF into my Google Drive, and then you just open it like so. If you press open with, you have all of the connected apps with regards to any extensions regarding your PDF or whatever file you have in your Google Drive. So currently I do not have Dochub on my as a Google Drive extension. But to do this, you can simply click on Connect More Apps, and then you can search Dochub. And this will appear, and you simply press Connect. And then there will be this little notification that tells you when it has been connected. And to open Dochub for this specific file, all you have to do is go back to this open with and then click on Dochub. And then it will load your document on to Dochub. A couple of things that you can do or features that Dochub has. Firstly, it has a couple of page controls. So you can just have your page sidebar right here. And if you have additional pages, you can easily navigate by clicking on these thumbnails. Also through here, you can delete this page, you can rotate the page. So for example, right here, it's vertical, my periodic table, and I'd just like to rotate it. So you click on that, and then you can select how you'd like to rotate it, and then it will do that for you as well. You can also download and print this through this arrow icon. So to hide this sidebar, all you have to do is click again on page controls, or you can use the keyboard shortcut, which would be P. Through here, again, you can actually print the document directly, and you can either undo or redo changes that you've made. Something else you can do, which I find useful when annotating a specific document, is you can add text. And you just click on this A icon, and then you click on wherever you'd like to add text. Then you just type whatever you'd like. And to move it, all you have to do is hover over these 6 dots right here, and then you can move it around like so by dragging on it. To delete it, you just click on this trash icon. Something else you can do is there are different ways you can annotate and draw. So to draw, all you have to do is click on this icon right here, and you can free draw however you'd like. And again, to undo it, you just press that undo button, or you can do Command Z. You can also change the actual color of this annotation or of your actual text. Just by clicking on this black circle here, you can change the color of the stroke. So you can, for example, have it in red. You can also change the width of the stroke. So you can increase or decrease as you'd like. So then you can, as you can see, annotate, for example. In this case, the separator between metals and non-metals. And again, if you want to get rid of this annotation you just made, just click on this undo icon. So some other things you can do through this drop bar here by clicking on this triangle icon, you can add a rectangle. Then you can add some different kinds of shapes like circles, or you can even draw a line. So for example, if I want to make a neater version of what I was trying to do before, so I've just added the separation there. Something else you can do is you can actually highlight. So if you have a document and there are imperative components of the document that you'd like to highlight or emphasize, you can simply click on this highlight option, click on H, which is the keyboard shortcut. So for example, if I'd like to highlight this, it's also slightly transparent, so you can still easily see the text. Some other things you can do through here is underline or strike out, but of course these are features that require payment. Something else you can do through here is comment on specific parts of the document. So to do this, you just click on it, whichever part you'd like to highlight, and then you type whatever you want. So to delete this, all you have to do is press this delete button, and the comment will be deleted. Over here we have whiteout, allow you to white out certain parts, like so. And you can again delete it by selecting it with this pointer and deleting. Again, with this pointer, it allows you to easily move, drag, and delete. Something else you can do is add different stamps. So these are just pre-made symbols and such that allow for concise feedback. Would like to highlight a part, you can use the star by clicking on it, and then you can change the fill color again. You can also change the size. So I'm going to change it to this yellow color. And you can also add a stroke color. And you can click on wherever you'd like the star to be, like so. Something else you can do is insert an image. So again, let me just show you that again. You click on this image icon and you are then redirected to all of your documents or files within your computer. Click on whichever one you'd like and then you press choose. Then the image appears in the document. And something I don't like is you can't just drag it around. You have to again go back to these three dots and drag it like so. And then another feature that they have is you can add a signature. So you can create a signature by either using your phone, drawing it like so, like that. It's like a freehand kind of thing. You can upload an image with your signature, or you can simply type it. So for example, if I want Teen Techie, I can select whichever font I would like. So I'm just going to select this one and you can save as default. So now I have a saved signature. So with this, you can easily add your signature by selecting whichever one you like, and then you can put it wherever you'd like. For example, in the bottom left corner. Something else you can do with regards to changing or altering the actual view is you can zoom in and zoom out. By clicking on this magnifying glass with a plus, you zoom in and then you can zoom out. Another feature is to actually share or send. So you can do that by going to the top right corner and clicking on this people icon. And then you can either send this as an attachment, send signed request, or get a shareable link. It's kind of similar to Google Drive, but it just has a slightly different user interface. So you just type in the email and then you can select what kind of access you'd like them to have. Again, you can download and export this PDF with all of the annotations, and to get more options, you simply click on these three lines on the top right corner and a drop bar appears where it gives you the option to either send, which is similar to what we did here with this icon there. And then you can do the different things like make a copy or convert to template. You can also rotate, or you can also destroy a document, or you can toggle comment panels. So just different things like that. And then here you can actually change the document properties. So if you click on document properties, you can change things like the title. You can add a subtitle, a description, and it just shows you the owner, all of the collaborators, when it was created, and you can actually preview this document in a read-only mode, which allows you to just view it, but it also restricts you or does not allow you to make actual changes. So you can just click on that, it will redirect you to a separate page. And as you can see, it redirects you to a separate page. So those are all the things you can do within document properties. In addition, you can do all of the actions that you see with these icons, like downloading or printing. So if you have any additional questions about features in Dochub and what you can do, you can show the help section and you can go to your user settings. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have an additional inquiry or any question you have about any type of software, please make sure to mention that in the comment section below so I can address your questions in a future video. Thanks for watching.